Hi, my name is Iolani Li. Welcome to a special edition of Ori Ann Li's vegan cuisine. Today, we're going to visit my island home and feature its wonderful culture and cuisine. I'll be making 3 Hawaii-inspired dishes for you. But before we get into that, I would like to invite you to this beautiful hula.
In the laughter of morning and starry nights, where I live, there are rainbows and flowers full of color and birds filled with song. I can smile when it's raining and touch the warmth of the sun. I hear children laughing in this place that I love. Smile when it's raining and touch the warmth of the sun. I hear children laughing in this place that I love. Where I of morning and starry, starry, starry nights.
King Kalakaua was the first monarch to travel around the world, and he made many friends. He could have invited some of them to the palace to dine with him. Typically, French cuisine was served at his dining table. So today I made this bisque, which I call His Majesty's bisque. I think he could have served it to his guests. I hope you enjoy it as well. So now I'm going to invite several of my friends to come and taste test this yummy dish. You folks want to come over?
Yes.
This is macadamia nuts, so I'm just going to put a little bit on your bowl.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, and then right there, right here.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, tell me how you like it.
Very refreshing.
Oh, okay.
I like it.
Oh,
I
cool.
like
Wonderful.
it. Very good.
Yeah.
Very good.
This dish is super easy to make. All you need is a blender. So I started with some coconut milk. Then I added in my favorite fruits: pineapple, papaya, tangerine, mango, and the list can go on. Then you choose your favorite nut. And I chose macadamia nuts because this is a local favorite, but you can choose pine nuts or walnuts, pecan, and list goes on as well. Kalo or taro to Hawaiian people is not just a vegetable, but it is a very special symbol of Hawaiian culture. It's related to the origin of man and considered to be ancestors of all Hawaiians. There are about 300 varieties in the world. However, in Hawaii, there are 85 of them grown here. Today, I'm going to make a very special, very popular dish featuring taro. I have here boiled or steamed taro, dashing variety in this instance, and sweet potato. This is a Molokai variety. Very, very tasty. I love working with these two ingredients because they work so beautifully together. I've served this dish at different functions. I have received great feedback. This popular dish, which I call the taro dip, is published at the Honolulu Advertiser at one point. It'll take about an hour or an hour and a half to cook your taro to this consistency. It's very, very soft and creamy, very easy to work with. So I'm going to keep the skin for the sweet potato, if you don't mind. I think it looks pretty. But with taro, you kind of just don't want to eat the skin. It's a little coarse. It's not bad for you. I'm sure it's good for you, but it's probably not the tastiest part of taro. Okay, so this dish will not be very tasty without some fresh garlic. Don't do this at home. A little bit dangerous, but I would use a bigger knife to mash the garlic. All right. All right. Throw that in to add some flavor. This is pre-roasted pine nuts. I added a little bit of olive oil. You don't have to actually use a lot. It all depends on personal preference. So now you're going to work this into the right kind of, the right consistency. The last main ingredient I'm going to add is this beautiful herb. Italian parsley. Yeah, you don't need the stems. This will add a beautiful color, vibrant color, as well as a zestiness for the dish. See, it's very easily made. If you are interested in a slightly more acidic flavor, I recommend using something maybe from a orange or tangerine family. Just a little bit, okay? All right, now I'm going to mix in some Hawaiian sea salt. Right there. It looks like I've added a lot, but it's not. Okay, and a little bit of black pepper. Voila! 'tis done. Got some inside. So now we're going to dress this dish. Look at how pretty this color is. It's amazing, isn't it? And I've got this nice bag of pita chips. So you can serve this with bread, with other types of chips. It may have taken me an hour to steam the taro and sweet potato, but it took me, 5 minutes to put this together. Our next dish is a vegan laulau. Laulau is a Hawaiian entree, very classic Hawaiian entree, using luau or taro leaf. Traditionally, it's cooked in an imu, wrapped in laulau leaf, but the inside filling would be pork or butterfish. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a really delicious vegan version using a variety of nutritious ingredients. For a really good vegan substitute, we can use soy meats, like this one, Italian sausage made of soy ground. Or we can use a variety of fantastic vegetables, jicama, taro, or breadfruit even. Together they will make your laulau unforgettable. Okay, let's put this together. And I'm going to add more zest with good old ginger. I like my laulau to be slightly spicy. Okay, good. Add this together. And shred this. Wonderful. All right, that's the start. Next, I'm going to tear into the vegan sausage. Literally tearing into it. Right. Okay, so I'm gonna break this and mash it with my fingers. Now, this is pre-cooked banlong taro. Very tasty, one of my favorite varieties. It has a really nice chewy texture. So let's do a good job to show you how to make this look really nice and neat in our batter, in our filling. You see, it cuts really easily once you cook them. Okay, you don't have to cut them perfectly, just nice and coarse. You want the nice texture. All right, and if you want to, you can cut the sausage, soy meat, soy substitutes into a smaller size. This is really up to you. You don't even have to use soy meat or faux meat. If you miss the flavor, the texture of meat, I would say we found a good substitute for you. This is jicama. It's one of my favorite snacks. You can eat this raw. Delicious. Right. This is outdoor cooking, folks. We don't have to be perfect. All right. We're also chasing daylight. Okay. This is soy sauce. This dish won't be good without some good Hawaiian sea salt. All right. Coconut milk or coconut cream to make it thicker. Sesame oil, black pepper. Let's see what this looks like. Not bad. If you have more time, you can make the consistency a bit stickier, but right now, this is what we're gonna go with. I'm going to, this is 2 layers of taro leaves. I'm going to make myself a nice big filling. I say that's a good amount. All right. Okay. So now I would like to tie this up. This is a quick and easy version. Actually, should have been cut earlier. Okay. All right. Now this is wrapped. Consider it wrapped anyway. Okay. Now I'm going to work this. There. We've done it. There. Now this is professionally wrapped and ready to go into the steamer. Well, we waited long enough for the laulau leaf to be edible, so let's take it out. Gonna cut this open right in the middle. There you have it. Ono-licious vegan laulau. Delish. Thank you for watching this Hawaiian cooking episode. I hope you'll enjoy making and eating these dishes. Until we meet again, ahui ho, mahalo.